labeling. We did another labeling on the internal. We set up automatic labeling, which was great, and it helped us a lot. Now we're gonna take it further by actually doing something called data loss prevention. So under Microsoft Purview portal, to get there, you have to type in purview.microsoft.com, and then we're going to click on solutions. Under solution, we're going to click on information protection. Under information protection, we're going to go ahead and actually click on policy. And actually, we're going to go to solution. We're going to click on data loss prevention. And then the on the data loss prevention, we're going to click on policies. And then we're going to click on the plus create a policy. And from this point on, we're going to type in what our policy is going to be about. So we're going to first need to make a custom policy, hit next, and then we're going to make this one credit card. And we're going to go ahead and actually make this into protect credit card number from being shared. So that's what we're going to do. So we don't want people to share credit card number. So we're going to hit next on that. On the administrative unit, we're not going to do anything else. That's fine. We're going to do next. And then on here, we just want to focus on Teams, basically. Teams is one of the fastest way for people to send sensitive data, and it's convenient. So we want people to stop doing that. And to do that is simply going to be setting the policy in place. You can tell people, hey, don't do this as a guest company all the time. But unless you enforce something, people are not going to listen. So we're going to make them listen. So we're going to hit next on that. We unchecked everything else, just FYI, in case you didn't see it. I unchecked everything except Teams, chat, and channel messages. From this point on, we're going to create or customize advanced DLP. We're going to do that. And from this point on, we're going to hit create a role. The role is going to be simple. It's going to be credit card information. From this point on, we now want to go ahead and actually add under condition. We want to add the sensitivity, or what we want to do in this case is we want to get a sensitivity. So we want to add sensitivity label. So first of all, before we do anything else, we're going to go under condition. We're going to say content is shared from Microsoft 365. We're going to select that. And we're going to also click on the condition, actually click on the action, restrict users, and we're going to block everyone else. But we're not done yet. We're not even close to be done yet. We're going to go on the top and we're going to click on the plus condition. And we're going to say contains. We're going to click on the drop down menu, sensitivity info types. We're going to do credit card number. That's what we're going to do. So that's what we're going to do. So I know I went too fast on that one. Couldn't help it. But now we're going to say content is shared from. So credit card information, content is being shared from Microsoft 365. Only people inside my organization selected. And then under content contains, we did a sensitivity info type and credit card number. And then we left everything default. And then after that, we went ahead and restrict access or encrypt this content in Microsoft 365 location. We say block everyone. After that, user notification, we're going to notify the user, and we're going to notify the user, let them know about the policy tip. And then the user override, we're going to check that and make sure that they justify a business rule before they can override it. So if people want to override, they can say there's a business need, that's why we're overriding it. So we can check this box. And then under incident reports, we're going to set low. That way we don't get alert, we don't get panic, because if you're getting a lot of incident that's getting tripped by the policy, you don't want to get flooded in your inbox. So overall, that's all we did now. And that's pretty much how the setup will be like for us. So again, just to summarize it, creating the advanced DLP rule is going to be the name, credit card, and the content is shared with Microsoft 365. We're going to say only with people inside my organization. And the condition is going to be credit card number, and it's going to be also restricting access or encrypting the content in Microsoft 365 location. We're going to say block user from receiving email or accessing shared OneDrive. We're going to say block everyone. User notification, we're going to notify the user with policy tips so they don't make the same mistake. If they did it innocently, if they did it maliciously, then they won't care. On the user override, we're going to say, let's make sure they justify business. On the alerts we get, it's going to be low. And then now we're going to hit save. So now we did this. We're going to hit next. We're going to turn on the policy in simulation mode so people can learn more about it before we apply it. And then we're going to hit submit. So that is all we had to do for this. Once this is done, we're going to actually leave this in this video, and then we're going to move to the next portion of the video. So that's what we're going to do. So it's submitting right now. Allow it some time to complete, and there you go, it's done. That's it. So let's hit done. Now our new DLP is here, and it's created this time. This is the time zone, the time it was created. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give a subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next Microsoft Information Protection video. Peace.